Today's video tutorial is about how to update Android Studio. My Android Studio was in version 3.5 and this is the new launching screen of Android Studio version 3.6. This is the desktop icon. Android Studio 3.6 come up with many new interesting updates. So let's check how to update Android Studio. This is Android Studio when I opened it. The last used project is opened here, and in the bottom right part you can see a pop-up IDE and plugin updates. Android Studio is ready to update. If you can see this pop-up, you can click on that and directly start updating. If you cannot see that pop-up or you accidentally closed it, you can do updation by clicking on Help in the top part of Android Studio and select Check for Updates in the drop-down list. Then a widget will appear. IDE and plugin updates. Here you can see what will be the new update version and what is new in that version. If you are not willing to update now, you can click on Remind Me Later. Now I'm going to update, so click on Update and Restart. Then a widget will appear showing the progress of download. You need to wait for some time according to your system's RAM. I am showing this in the fast forward motion. It actually takes a lot of time. Android Studio restarted. Now you can see the launching screen of Android Studio and then a widget will appear. Whether you like to import Android Studio settings from previous version. Config or installation folder. Do not import settings. I'm selecting previous version, then click OK. This widget is asking you to delete unused Android Studio directories. I have a directory which I used 2 months before of version 3.4. So I am selecting that and click on Delete Directory. If you don't have unused directory, you can click on Cancel. Now Android Studio is loading the previous project and in the right part you can see what is new in Android Studio 3.6. You can read it or you can click on the icon above for the video about what is new in Android Studio. So this was today's video tutorial. I hope you all liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more Android tutorials. Please follow TechizVibe on Instagram and Facebook. We'll come up with the next video. Thanks for watching.